Happy Monday, everybody. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter. So we'll start with today is Monday. And the month is April. And it is Monday, April 13th. And the weather is, let's see. What is the weather today? You guys can go outside and look. It is sunny, so we're going to go with sunny. And it's cold. So let's get dressed today. Since it's cold outside, I'm going to wear sweatpants. And for the top, a sweater. Miss Corbett will probably stay inside all day, but just in case, we can put some sneakers on. And I don't think I'm going to wear a hat today. If you do happen to go outside, you might need some sunglasses. And since it is cold, we're gonna need a sweater. So today's weather, Monday, April 13th, 2020, sunny and cold. It's gonna be a high of 58 with a low of 40. You guys have a great day. Make sure you log in and watch your videos.